Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduates and electrical graduates. So let us go into the video. The name of the company is Honda Car. Now they are recruiting graduates in electrical and mechanical, and job location will be in Chennai. So company name Honda Cars. Company website is not available. You know very well that Honda Cars India Ltd is a leading manufacturer of premium cars in India. Was established in December 1995 with a commitment to provide Honda passenger car models and technologies to the Indian customers. HCIL corporate office is based in Greater Noida, UP, and its state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is located in Rajasthan, Alwar district. So, title will be graduate engineer trainee. So, what what is the requirement is they are requiring a full time in Btech in mechanical or electrical, and school should have it should he or she should have knowledge about logistic management, and only freshers and 2022 password can apply. Minimum 60% throughout the academics is required, and you should not have any subject backlog, and you need to have good communication skill and intermediate in MS Office and ready to join immediately. Location Chennai. Beginning online date is 9th November 2022, and last date for applying is 30th November 2022. Before this month then kindly apply for the job. I will provide a link and details in the description. Kindly have a glance of it and apply as early as possible. Once you apply means they will be contacting you or intimating you through a registered mail ID and registered mobile number for further process. If you like this video means put a like and share the video to mechanical and electrical people. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned, Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.